It's important to prioritize your health, but sometimes finding the right doctor or healthcare services for you can be challenging.
So recently, a group of clinics called TrueCare was given a special designation called the LGBTQ+ Healthcare Equality High Performer. And joining us in studio to tell us more about what that means, certified nurse midwife Mimi Mateo with TrueCare. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you. So tell us about TrueCare. Tell us what it's about, the mission, when it started.
Yeah, I love an opportunity to talk about TrueCare. We've existed in North San Diego County and South Riverside for over 50 years. We have 23 sites, and our mission is really focused on improving the health status of all the communities we serve.
Talk to us a little bit about the designation. What is a high performer? What is that exactly? And what does it mean?
Thank you for asking. So the Human Rights Campaign about 17 years ago created the Healthcare Equality Index, and it's a tool used nationally. This year there were over 2,000 healthcare facilities who participated, and it really looks at the culture of inclusion and equitable care for the LGBTQ community, not just patients, but staff and our partnerships with community organizations.
Tell us, is this a big issue as far as a need for equal care or support in getting care, and how does TrueCare advocate for the LGBTQ+ community?
Absolutely. Unfortunately, research documents that this community has worse health outcomes for common chronic medical conditions. Think heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, depression. And this is really rooted historically in experiences of feeling discriminated against or stigmatized, so not coming in for preventative and supportive health care.
They just have a history of saying, we haven't had a good experience here, so I'm just going to keep an arm's length.
And so TrueCare really is a leader. Our culture and all of our staff are engaged and developed in creating a culture of belonging.
How do you bridge that gap, though, when people say, I don't feel comfortable with this? How do you bring people from that community in and say, hey, we got you, we want to help you?
Because we've been around for 50 years, we have deep, meaningful partnerships with so many community organizations, and we have wonderful grant opportunities. Recently, we were able to offer a Pride in Aging campaign that really spoke directly to members of the community.
So how can they access this? And you mentioned a few of the disparities. Do you still see that today?
I feel like at TrueCare, we're doing a really wonderful job, but certainly I'm also the director of diversity, equity, and inclusion and wellness, and these disparities are documented nationally. We are making a dent because we're focused on collecting our data and being really smart about targeting our programs. Anyone is welcome at TrueCare. We accept all kinds of insurance. Folks who don't have insurance, we have wonderful support for helping people understand what they might qualify for, and we have a sliding fee scale.
When you do the job that you do and you get this designation as an equality, healthcare high performer, what does that mean to you, and what advice might you have for other doctors and systems out there that maybe aren't having the success that you guys are having?
Yeah, so I do have to call out, only 3 community health centers in the whole state were recognized, and we're the only one in North San Diego and Riverside County. So it really is about focusing on compassion, respect, and founding all of the work in a belief that healthcare is a human right and keeping the doors open for everyone.
And making everybody feel comfortable enough to come in and get and seek that health care. You have 23 clinics. They are scattered between Riverside and San Diego County?
Yes, in North San Diego County, that's right. And the services are comprehensive. Adults, pediatrics, acupuncture, chiro, obstetrics, gynecology, you name it. Yeah, cardiology, podiatry, dental, pharmacy. I could sit here all day.
Yeah. And you're a midwife, so there's that too.
Exactly. Yeah. And TrueCare has had a collaborative OB practice for over 30 years.
Okay, wonderful. Well, Mimi, Mateo, we appreciate it from TrueCare, and congratulations on the designation. I'm sure it means a lot to you guys and to a lot of folks who you are affecting. If anybody wants to learn more about your guys' services, we have it for them on our website.
Perfect.
Fox5sandiego.com under the Scene On tab.
Thank you.
Mimi, thank you. Appreciate it.